we're at the singing sands, and the metamorphic rocks around here are garnet schists. So for instance in this light region here you can see these nice orange and pink garnets. You can see that there's a layering which is pretty much parallel, like this, parallel to my hand. That's probably primary sedimentary layering. It seems to have compositional bands of things which are slightly lighter, more rich in quartz and feldspars, and things which are slightly darker and more rich in biotite mica. That's probably sedimentary layering. It all looks very parallel and not very folded, except where you can see the very hinges of folds, like this down here, where it comes around like this. So when you're away from hinges, the beds are parallel. So this is isoclinal folding. That means there's probably been something like 50% crustal shortening to make that. And it's quite hard to identify apart from where you can see very clear fold hinges like this. And actually a lot of the Scottish Highlands has isoclinal folding that's really difficult to identify. After that, after it was all folded isoclinally, the sense of compression changed from being like this to being more of a sense of shear this way, and possibly compression this way. And you can see that the main limbs have then been folded through these kinks. There's a set of kink that runs down through here that folds the main limbs. So you've gone from one set of compression directions that's made isoclinal limbs. They've then been sheared by a sensor like this. That's then caused this kinking that you see here